Welcome back to Tecnoguias. In this video, I am going to show you how you can delete the temporary files that you have on your computer very quick and very easily. The first thing we are going to do is press Windows R and we can see this panel. Enter the name Fetch and we can see different carpets. In my case, I actually eliminate all, and Control E for select all, press in eliminate and eliminate archives. This is done eliminate because this is necessary for your computer. Windows R again and write them and accept. And we can see new carpets, clear all and eliminate. Okay. In one case, I have 100 carpet and Windows R and them again accept, and we can see the news. Control E, select here and eliminate. This is very quick and simple, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more content with us.